Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In this tutorial, we will learn about the solar cell. Solar cell or photovoltaic cell is an electrical device that converts the energy of light directly into electricity by the photovoltaic effect. Okay, so here we can see with the effect of light, we can produce electricity also. If you will take a close look of this solar plate, then you will find there are lot of lines in it and some combination is made here. Now if you turn this solar plate, so after making the combination there is a plus and minus terminals. We have taken the wires out from the positive and negative, and I will show you how we can glow an LED by using this solar panel. I have taken a breadboard and now I am having this solar panel with me. I'm going to put the solar panel here and keep the positive and negative on the breadboard. Okay, directly you can connect this positive and negative terminals. After connecting the positive and negative, now take a LED. I'm going to take a red LED and going to attach it with the positive and negative terminal. See, my LED is glowing little bit as we are having light coming on this surface. If I'm going to put my hand over here, you will find there is no any light in the LED. Okay, now let's put some more light on this solar panel and see whether our LED is glowing brighter or not. I'm going to put the flashlight of my cell phone on it and check whether it is. Yes, you can see the more light is falling on this LED, on this solar cell, the greater the brightness of LED. I'm going to remove it. As I'm going to remove this, you will find the LED getting dimmer and dimmer. Okay, so in the future we may make the light sensitive robot by using these solar panels. I hope you understand the working of solar panel, and we will meet in the next video. Bye bye.